Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can extract data from your file Smartsheet in Google Sheets. So here I have been able to link these files from my drive into this sheet. And what I want to do now is to be able to extract on my column B the media type and on my column C the URLs. So to be able to do this, I will just select these 4 files, then I'll right click and then scroll down to where I have data extraction. So I will click on this data extraction and check this MIME type for my media type and URL for the URL. Then I now click on this extract. So you can see it has been able to extract these files for me. So I have the first as a PDF. It's PDF. This one is a sheet. Okay, you can see from here is actually an Excel sheet, and then this is a JSON file, and these are the links to each of them. So, and this is just a simple trick you can use in your Google Sheet to make your work easy. I hope you were able to find this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like the video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.